Yo! What's up, YouTube? Hey, yo. How y'all doing out there? It's a great day. Lovely Sunday. It's bright. Your boy not at the house to work on that car. But I did run into some issues with my car. So, like I've been telling y'all, I've been fighting that driver's side ball joint to get that thing loose. So I did go pick up the separator tool to separate the ball joint and the lower control arm. So I'm just kind of waiting to get out there. It's been some real difficult hot days out here in Maryland, but nonetheless, hopefully kind of pave out some and you get one of them nice cool days. But the sun ain't just spanking on you. But so ball joint separator tool so I can get that axle in, and then I just found out that my oil pan has a terrible leak at the drain plug. So I'm gonna probably hit the junkyard, pick up another oil pan from something else, whatever's out there. Hopefully I can find a Tegra out there. One's out there with a B20 or something. I just need another oil pan. Other than that, man, I'm just ready to get this car started. I have not yet put that Walburn 450 in there for the fuel. And I got a couple of other things I need to still do, valve cover gasket or whatnot. Just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Keep watching. I just add this on to something. Have a good one. But, that motherfucker right there. What's up, guys? So I just left the junkyard, going to pick up a few things that I needed, and it was a very needed thing. I was been waiting to get things done, but just some drain plug. Just a drain plug, but picked up more than enough. Here you are. Yeah, like I said, more than enough. Just 3. Don't need much of nothing. All was free, so yeah. But I'm gonna try to get out here and just put one of these plugs on, so I can figure out if I'm gonna need a whole oil pan now, or will this plug fix it. I do have another plug method, but I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna just see how this work out, and then from there I'll proceed. YouTube. So I'm out here messing with the car, trying to get this drain plug situation controlled, which I believe I have. I'm hoping I have. They had like a butterfly boat in the oil pan. Cover up the camera. Something like this of this nature here. I can't twist it by hand. Stop blowing that damn horn, man. But yeah, they had something like this in there. I guess it's like a butterfly boat or something of that nature. And I had the junkyard to grab a couple of drain plugs or whatnot. So this was 19, and of course the drain plugs are 17. And just got finished changing that out. Let's see if I can hopefully get this puppy some oil. Add some cool oil, see if it leaks or whatnot. Hopefully not. Stay tuned. So I'll get ready to add some of this oil up in there, see if it's gonna drain, or see if it's gonna leak, more so I meant. But let's try to see what we get. See if we... I'm not gonna add all the oil in there. Just enough to see, just enough oil to see if it's gonna leak from the drain plug, and if so, I'll have to change out the oil pan, which I'm hoping I don't have to. It's been kind of hard making content with work, life, and problems, and just not having time to do anything. Add a little bit more in there. For the most part, that's all. I'm not gonna put any more oil in there, because right now I'm just watching, looking for leaks. Nothing else. Clean up that little bit of splash. So far, we're looking good. So those small little drips are when I first took the oil pan out, drain plug out to change it. So we're just gonna hope that it doesn't leak. Guess I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit or whatnot. See what this drain plug do. Hopefully everything works out pretty well. Oh, also, I got a few returning subscribers watching, and plenty of people that are not subscribers that do watch from time to time or whatnot. Hey man, please do hit that like button and smash that subscribe, so that way you can catch any late content that you see, and it helps my algorithm with my videos. Definitely hit that thumbs up. Even if you don't subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please. I do appreciate you guys. So just stay tuned. So got that drain plug in, like I was saying. No oil. It's not leaking. It's been about 10-15 minutes. Like I said, old drops. Nothing's there. So I believe we're in good shape. Yeah, I believe I'm in good shape. Just remove my cardboard and my moving blanket. Drop this thing back down to the ground and carry on. What we'll see, go ahead and add the rest of this oil real quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this cardboard underneath this car overnight, just to see if it starts to decide to want to slowly leak for some odd reason. Like I said, it's been 10-15 minutes and going. We'll see how everything pans out. Well, I'm hoping everything is okay. Hoping all is well. Guess I'll try to give it a crank. Gotta go get some gas. So after all of that, like I said, oil plug is on there. Seems to be doing pretty well. It's not leaking. I did leave my cardboard underneath there, so if it's going to do any leaking, I'll see it over from overnight or whatnot. So, um, other than that, like I said, try to go get some gas in a couple of days or so and try to give her a crank, give her a turnover, get this valve cover gasket on here, and you know, see what she do. Other than that, man, thank you guys for watching, following, everything, man. Um, please do give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Like I said, I do got a lot of people that do watch. I'm not gonna say a lot of people, but I have a few people that watch my videos or whatnot, and I would like all the viewers to, be subscribers, and I would like all the viewers to give me those thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Do help, man. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'm gonna try to get back on top of what I've been doing, was getting videos out at least once a week. But hopefully my work schedule just don't hopefully it don't keep changing and have me all over the place. But hey, thank you. Thumbs up. Punch that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe, drive safe.